Hello, beautiful geeks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Happy bathroom break if that's what you're doing. Hey, I don't judge. This is Lewis coming to you yet again once more through the power of the Geek Fortress and YouTube. And today, guys, I'm going to bring you a challenging playthrough. We're going to be doing Resident Evil 5 using the handgun only. Now, there are some part of the games in which the game requires you to use something else, in which case it'll be different. I'll be using that, of course, because I cannot break the game. But other than that, it would only be the handgun. And I guess maybe the knife if I have to open something. So, yeah. So, that is the plan. So, basically, all I'm going to do is the handgun. I'm not going to be having infinite ammo at all. My partner SHEVA is going to be the computer. Maybe for the second part of this playthrough, I'll have Angela, my fiance, play with me. She's also part of the Geek Fortress, and we'll be tag teaming this for the second or third part. We'll see. But without any further ado, guys, what he said. Alright, the Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza. Alright, I just want to show you guys bonus features. Oh, I already got that apparently. Sweet. Oh, so that's her tribal outfit. I didn't even know I had it, and I got a trophy. Sweet. Anyways, alright, so I just want to show you special settings. Infinite ammo, it is off. That's on, that's off. So I want to press X. Infinite ammo is off. Custom select. I'm going to give Chris his BSAA. And I'm going to give SHEVA the tribal. Why not? Alright. Cool. So they both look sexy. Look at the muscles. SHEVA's alright, but that's Chris Redfield. Alright. Alright, so we're going to start right from the beginning. I've played the game in the past, of course. I've never done it with a handgun only. So I'm going to start right here from the very beginning. I'm going to do it on normal just because I don't want to have overkills. Can you imagine professional and then do only handgun? So we're going to do normal. Maybe in the future we'll do a little crazy thumb. I'm going to be Musclehead Chris Redfield. Alright, Cub setting attack, infinite ammo. No, you guys can see it again here. Let's get started, guys. Welcome to Resident Evil 5. If you guys haven't done so yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Alright. So let's organize. This is going away, this is going away, this is going away, this is going away. And same, away. No shotgun, handgun only. It's upgraded so I can have 100 bullets. Yeah, right? Games. And that's it. And what I am going to bring, if I have any, is going to be some health. And I'm not going to give it to SHEVA because she sucks at holding health. So I'm going to bring some health that I'm going to need and some handgun ammo. That's it. This is what I'm starting with. Put it right there. That's it. That's my starting pack. And then we have SHEVA. Alright guys, here we go. Resident Evil 5. Handgun only. We're gonna watch the cutscenes, of course. I'm gonna give you guys the whole tour. Ooh, sexy. Ah, that is your song. Sahane, la 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 la. Hola, Panko, Juan Pablito, and Masichaka Kawata. Yep, he did. Oh, y'all dead too. If you guys know who that is already because you played the game, then you know exactly who that is. Bye. Oh, he's so dead.
Captain Deshant here. We secured the underground route to the coordinates.
You're still gonna die. Oh yeah. Time for some Papi Chulo. This game looks great. This is a remastered edition for PS4, by the way, guys. Baby!
Should have seen it coming. It didn't take long after the fall of the Umbrella Corporation for their bioweapons to end up in the hands of terrorists.
Holy crap.
A new era of bioterrorism.
His arm's as big as a Humvee.
Vulnerable countries, shifting the balance of power throughout the region. People in the destabilized areas soon feared another incident like Raccoon City was inevitable. As panic spread, governments of the world turned to the Global Pharmaceutical Consortium.
Yo, he almost ran over that guy.
Formed the anti-terrorism unit, BSAA.
Is it because he's black? That's messed up,
Operatives
bro.
of the BSAA were sent to infiltrate and neutralize bioterrorist hotspots, restoring safety and stability to various regions around the globe.
Baby! I love how the first thing we see of her is her ass.
My name is SHEVA Alama.
Chris Redfield.
Your reputation precedes you, Mr.
Oh, we're not trying to sexualize women. That's just where the camera was.
Just Chris, thanks. So you'll be accompanying me to
Hello,
the
Chris.
destination?
Thanks.
Yes. Tensions are running high ever since the change in government.
I'll bet. Intel says it's a haven for terrorists now.
And I'm not going to be happy to see an American, BSAA or not.
That's racist.
That's why I'm your partner. Help put them at ease.
Well, I'm sure you'll do just fine.
Partner. Let me be emo for 2 seconds.
You okay?
Yeah, I always
Sorry.
space out once a
Nothing.
day.
Let's go. Casualties continue to mount over the long years I've struggled. More and more, I find myself wondering if it's all worth fighting for. Maybe one day, I'll find out.
Hey, huyo wengine anafanya nini hapa?
What you say about my mama? Yo,
You
that's
don't
my
have to
ass.
get touchy. Let's go.
Yo, she was cute. I don't care what anybody says.
There is one thing I do know. I have a job to do, and I'm gonna see it through.
He's not dark and ominous. He's looking at me like he's gonna kill me. He's like, I'ma kill you. Because I can. They're probably like, he must be a cop. And you know what to say about cops. Alright. So we're saving. Controller test. We're good to go, guys. Let's do some RE5.
Yes, we read you.
There's a black market weapons deal going down in Kijiji. That's where Irving will be.
Irving.
Alpha team is already in for
Why are you doing that machete, boy?
you will be going in as fast.
Hey, guys.
Rendezvous
What's
with
up?
contact at the butcher's shop.
Why are we beating up right here, huh?
Get briefed on the mission there. Watch
Oi.
your backs.
Yeah, you cool with your stick?
Copy. Over and out.
What are you doing, boy? Well, this doesn't look like it's going to end well for me, so I'm gonna keep going now, okay, guys? You keep beating the shit out of that bag that probably has a fetus or something. And why are you hurt? Look at SHEVA, she hurt. You got a stomachache, baby? Look at that guy, he's just chilling there. Probably got a rough night. Alright.
Na wasaliti wote walete kwa wenye mamlaka. Ukipata wa...
Well, everybody left. Now it's like ghost down. I forgot to go over here because I was too busy talking to those guys to get that secret cutscene. Where is it? Over here? If you go over here, you get that secret cutscene where that guy gets dragged. I think it's over there. Yeah, that guy gets dragged. And he does nothing to help him. He sees him get beat up. And he doesn't help. Whatever. Alrighty then. Okay. But, since most of you guys have probably played this game already, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You just got lost. There we go. Corner Pyami Butchery. That's a catchy name. I like it. Alrighty. SHEVA. There you are. Come on.
I heard there were two of you. Where's your partner?
Right behind me, dude. Hello? You blind, bro?
Good. You're both here. Come.
Sure. Let me follow the guy with a creepy voice.
This way. Maybe because of the new government, the people around here are a little on edge. You should do what you came here to do and go home.
Yeah, they really roll out the red carpet for us Americans.
Shows like you know it, baby.
I have your weapons for you here. Check them.
Alright. So I already have the handgun. The handgun? Alright, let me heal these beesh. Come here. The hell? She just left. I was trying to heal you, woman.
Town square's up ahead. Go through there. Alpha team's waiting at the deal location.
Good.
What do you know about Ouroboros?
This is what makes this game a little challenging, guys, when you play with a computer. SHEVA, the CPU for SHEVA is stupid.
And apparently it is no rumor.
You're kidding, right?
Do I look like I'm kidding? I'm wearing a turban, and I have a cool accent. Bye.
And be careful out there.
Oh, you should follow your own advice, boy. Alright. So let me heal you. Because you're dying.
Remember, we're a team.
Alright, we're good to go. Alright, so we need all the ammo we can get, guys. So let's start looking. That's gold, but I'll take it. I need ammo. Nice outfit, SHEVA. Alrighty. Okay, so I guess that's it. Yeah, that's everything over here. Alright. Oh, you eat that goat thing. SHEVA! Look at her getting ahead of me! Holy shit! I don't remember this computer being so smart. Wow. Okay. What are you on attack mode or something? I really don't remember you doing all this. She just ran ahead. Alright, we're gonna keep that herb. I'm coming! Come on, Chevy. Alright. Anybody home? Kevin? Kevin? Yo, why y'all putting in Kevin's mouth? Oh, that's nasty.
Freeze!
Oh, hell no. Ew, brush your teeth. Even show like, bro, I don't know.
Are you okay?
Oh, simple know what to suffice, asshole. Oh boy. It's a good look for you, bro. Oh boy. You're coming for me, aren't you? Down, boy. Down, boy. Down, boy. Damn, SHEVA. You on fire, girl.
What the hell just happened?
I don't know.
They didn't move like any zombies I've ever seen.
Alright. Boop. There we go. So we're definitely not going to be able to take on all of these moves.
They'll find us soon.
Thanks. Should we even try to do this? Probably not. Okay, time to go. Time to go, time to go, time to go. Time to go. Time to go. Yeah, block it. Good girl.
Come in, Kirk.
Alright.
The locals were hostile and we had to use force.
Woo!
We don't
So that was
have any
fun.
Contingency plans for this situation, do we, Trent?
No.
But your orders still stand.
Oh boy.
Was HQ expecting this?
So everybody just gotta chill for a moment. There we go, gotta chillax. Yo, look at the door, look at the door. Nope, I'm out. I am out.
Roger.
Come on, SHEVA. Come help a brother. There we go. Alright. Oh, there's some ammo. Handgun ammo, which is everything we need. Handgun ammo is life right now, guys. Boop, boop, boop. Alright. Woohoo! Somebody spilled their guts. That was a bad joke. I'll shut up now. Alright. Ooh, gotta kill the rat. I really shouldn't be wasting ammo, by the way, but why not? Alrighty, upsy daisy. Alright, this is when things get interesting. Handgun ammo, no mind if I do. Herb, no mind if I do. I'm gonna put you right here. Come on, Chevy. These are nice little facts. I like this about this game. It gives you those, those little facts about the game. You know what? I wasn't that disappointed with this game. I mean, at first, I was one of those assholes who criticized it, even though I got the special edition on day one, but whatever. And I criticized it because it wasn't the same formula, blah, blah, blah. But then again, Resident Evil 4 is at fault for that, and it's so ironic because it's like the best, one of the best games I've ever played, Resident Evil 4. But ironically, it's the game that changed the formula for the Resident Evil franchise. So, as much as I love Resident Evil 4, I also hate it. But Resident Evil 5, in my opinion, was a little better than Resident Evil 6. And then Resident Evil 7 is just another thing. Yeah, you growl. I have also made a walkthrough of both Resident Evil 4 and Resident Evil 7, guys. I'll put a card above.
You don't know what you're talking about! You can all go to hell!
Bro, what happened to be careful out there? Chris is like, yo, he fucked. That's Kanye West, that's what I call him. And he dead. Yep. Yep, he's hella dead. Uh-oh. That can't be good. Oh, bugger. What? What did you say about my mama? Alrighty then. Okay, we're going to play this strategically, guys. We're going to start by taking cover. And after we take cover, we'll take it from there. Alright. Handgun ammo, no mind if I do. I just gotta try to save as much ammo as I can. But let's see if I can shoot a couple of these guys. Come on. Yeah. Whoa, what the? Do you guys see that car? Oh, they're gonna start bringing this down pretty soon. What are you? Your gold? I'll take you. Oh boy. You're going to stay. Good boy. Nope. He's out. SHEVA, you covered that corner, you dumbass. Yeah. Yeah. Who else wants him, huh? Oh boy. Behind you, SHEVA. Jeez. Oh, that's why I hate her. She keeps using my health. Alright, we might as well come out. Oh yeah. This is when the handgun only thing starts to really affect us. Especially we want to fight Poppy. Oh yeah.
Kurt, come in. The locals are hostile. The gate is sealed, and we're trapped. We need backup, and we need it right now.
Right now.
Go!
Oh boy. Stay.
Help's on the way.
Got it. Just hope he gets here quick.
You and me both. Of course. SHEVA, cover the freaking exit. Come on. Alright, open it. Come on. Alright, let's go, SHEVA!
Come on!
Come on, SHEVA. Alright. Come on. Let's see if we can kill him. Come on. It's gonna take all my ammo, but I'll do it. Come on, big boy. Time for a Shoryuken! Shoryuken! Uh-oh, time to run. Go. SHEVA, where are you? Oh my god. I don't know where she is.
This girl is on fire!
I just want to try to kill Big Daddy. Oh, SHEVA. You're a special kind of dumb.
This girl is
She's right on the fire. Alright, SHEVA, come on. Oh boy. I'm going to die because of her ass. Ah, stupida! Come on. Oh my god. Run. This way. Thank you. This way. Oh my god.
Hold on.
SHEVA, you suck.
Come on.
Oh my dear Jesus. Oh my god. Okay, so this is gonna be even harder than I thought. Because of the stupid Oh, really? Alright. You know what? We're gonna go defensive rather than offensive. And of course we have to start from here.
SHEVA.
Push that shit, dumbass. I hate her. See, that's what I was telling you guys about the computer SHEVA. It's a pain in... You didn't do it?! I hate her so much. We might have to. We might have to. Yeah, we might have to get Angela to jump in here sooner than we thought. Because playing with a computer is a pain in the ass. Stop idolizing me and do your job. Stay there. Everybody stay the frack there. Yeah. Alright, I should really chill with the bullets. Anybody? Alright, so we're gonna go offensive. Excuse me, defensive. We're going to go on the defense. Don't praise her. She's dumb. Oh, I'm so glad I caught on video how stupid she is. Thanks. Alright, you guys keep falling back. Stay back. Alright, we're gonna need a way out, so.
Kurt, come in. The locals are hostile. The gate is sealed, and we're trapped. We need backup, and we need it.
Come on, SHEVA.
Roger that. Just sit tight. I'm on my way.
Did you hear that, SHEVA? Help's on the way.
She heard it. She's just dumb. Alright, SHEVA. As soon as Poppy comes through, we have to run. Come on. This way.
Come on.
I have to keep saying come on, so her dumbass keeps following me.
Come on. Come on.
Alright. So this is where we're going to make our stand. Can't grab those grenades because it is handgun only. Alright, this is it, guys. This is our last stand. Come on. It's a shame because we won't be able to kill Big Daddy. And get that precious little ring he drops. But it is what it is. I can only do so much with SHEVA by my side. Computer SHEVA, that is. Get away, Kanye. What doesn't kill you will kill you this time. It won't make you stronger. Get off my balcony. Anybody else? Come on. Fly away. Fly away. 100 bullets left, guys. Go. Go. Come on.
There's just no end to them.
Nope.
We've got to hold out till Kurt gets here.
Yep, you had a head. That's no way to get ahead in life, though. Okay, I gotta stop with the jokes. I really do. I gotta chill. No! Stop picking up grenades! Oh, I hate her. I hope she doesn't use them. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Come on, blow it up. I should really stop wasting it. I was trying to blow up that tank over there. We need to start letting some of them get in here so I can get some ammo. Stop it! Didn't you just hear what I said, SHEVA? My God, I hate you. Alright, there's one. Please drop ammo. No! You know what? You do the shooting. Yeah.
Roger.
You do the shooting. I'll wait. Yeah. 80 bullets left, guys. Holy shit. Oh, there's precious bullets over there. I never understood why they didn't let you climb over here. Look at him, look at him, look at him. He's too big to jump up here. Uh-oh.
Chris, SHEVA, how you holding up?
We're waiting for your ass.
Just hang in there.
No problem. Of course that asshole didn't drop anything. Alright, SHEVA. Doing your thing, girl. Did we kill Connie already? Yo, look at SHEVA shooting a Big Poppy, though. 72 bullets left, guys. Oh, boy. 'Cause there's a thriller. I'll stop. Stay. No! Guys, I am so sorry. She dropped a grenade.
Out the door. Find some cover.
But it wasn't me. And I think it only affected Big Poppy, so... What a dumbass! Well, I'm only gonna use the handgun. And I can't wait for you to get replaced. Bye. Whew. So we made it. We finished chapter 1-1. We are assy because we died that one time because of stupid SHEVA. We got 1,000 points. It's not bad. We got an A. So I'll take it. Whatever. I'll take it. Alright, could have been worse. Alright, let me take these grenades away from this woman. Give me that. Alright, so let us pray. Alright, you're going to go there, so you have some health. You're going to go there, we have some health. Some handgun ammo, which I'm going to have to reload right now, so yay. I don't even trust giving you ammo, woman. Whatever. Here we go.
Kirk, we owe you one.
You can thank me later.
Oh, you bitch, I'm gonna electrocute you.
It's almost time for Alpha Team.
Wait, come back, baby.
Hurry to the deal coordinates.
Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. You bitch.
Going on ahead.
That's what you get for being a dumbass. That made me feel better. Handgun ammo? Nope. Alright, guys, so I have to scout for handgun ammo before I move forward. No handgun ammo. Handgun ammo? Nope. Handgun ammo? Nope. Handgun ammo? Nah. Alright, so I guess this place is already clean. Must be something over here. I think there's a barrel. Yes. Handgun ammo? Nope. Gold. Chump your shit! Alright. Any handgun ammo over here? Nope. I think there's some gold right here. I don't know why the hell I didn't just use my knife right there. Chris, you kinda did. It was actually me. I'm just blaming Chris because that's the easy thing to do. Alright, so we went there. SHEVA, let's get going, baby girl. I still hate you, by the way. You are a dumb ass. That is the best way to describe you. The chin, what's up, bruh? Are you dead yet? You can actually see that woman from here. See her, guys? Die. 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 Yeah. Hang on, ammo. Ah. Holy shit, look at that. Harley's betrayal. I had never seen that before. Sometimes you miss the little details the first 19 times that you play a game, you know? So you go back and you see them. Look at the guy, looks like Fidel Castro. Alright. Nice couch. And slash bathroom, I guess. Alright, so the good thing is that I don't have to throw her up there because I don't need the key to get the shotgun because I'm not using a shotgun, so that's what I think about your shit. Come on, SHEVA. Oh, you're indestructible right now? Determination that it's incorruptible? Alright. Oh, damn, SHEVA. Good job, baby girl. I still hate you.
Alpha team, come in. Alpha team.
The Chan, do you copy?
No, leave her alone. Hey, she gonna die anyway. Come on, big boy. Say goodbye to your kneecap. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Boom, motherfucker. Yeah. SHEVA, are you okay? You got him, or you need some help, girl? Yeah. That's how you do it, baby girl. Learn from daddy. I gotta get all the goodies I can get. Alright, so that's everything in here. That girl got ticketed. The only other white person in this game gets killed. Boom, 99 bullets, guys. 99 freaking bullets. Are you playing hide and seek, bro? That's what you get, dumbass. Oh yeah. 100 bullets, guys, plus 3 on the side. SHEVA, don't be stupid. Yeah, come here. You got a roach on your face. He like, oh yeah? No, that's a grenade. Crap. Alright, we're not using grenades. So, goodbye. Alright. What's over here? Tomatoes. No. No grenades. Bad. Alrighty. I hear you. Hear that growl? There's somebody here. Shotgun ammo is not gonna help. So we ain't getting it. I know you're here. Handgun ammo, beautiful. I should really give her some.
I owe you one.
So there you go. Did you reload? You did reload. Good. Alright, we're gonna need health for sure. Oh boy. Alright, I know you guys are here. Let's see if I can outsmart you real quick. Because I know y'all there. I know you're hiding. Trying to get my culito. Alright, reload. And here you go.
I owe you one.
If I have to. So those people hiding right there, you see him? You see her that head? Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. He's like, Dee! You can't see me! You saw his head, right? Oh, I guess I can't shoot him. That sucks. How about this angle? Nope. And you know what? I don't want to waste the ammo. Fine. I just wanted to shoot him. But I understand. I was trying to surprise him before he surprised me. And it's me, Mario. Wrong game, Lewis. Alright, here we go. I know you're there. Oh wait, wrong place. It's over here. I don't like your TV. I keep shooting things. Boom! Boom! Go rest.
I need your
Oh,
help.
SHEVA. Punch him. Yeah. Kicking him works too. Oh, he dead. Alrighty. SHEVA did something good. I'm gonna reload, and I'm gonna give you the
I owe
rest.
you one.
There. Can't say I don't love you. But I don't, though. I really hate you. Alright, so we're about to go do the next part with the white woman. Oh, it's so weird for me not getting that shotgun ammo. Shotgun is like my favorite gun in this game. The Hydra. It's sexy. To quote my friend Mark, it's sexy, sir. Alright! I'ma knock down your house, bitch! Oh, hi, Jessica!
Somebody help me!
I'm trying, Jessica. Well, since you're gonna die anyway, I'm gonna take my time. It's a good thing I know that now. First time around, I was like, I'll help you, Jessica! Alright, where is it? I know there's a treasure here or something. Or maybe this chicken drops an egg. I know you drop an egg. You just gotta scare it off of him. Well, her. It wouldn't be. Chickens don't lay eggs. The hen. Listen, freaking thingy. I don't want to shoot you. Oh man, he /she flew away. Fine, don't give me my freaking thing. Look at all those. That's cool. Like I said, I never actually looked at this. Does that say Raisin Bran? Raisin Bran, guys. Look at that. Party Pop, Raisin Bran. Apparently they said they sell pet food here. Wow. I am learning things about this game I had never known in the past. Or I saw it, but I just didn't pay attention to it. That's for running away. Oh no, you had already laid the egg. I'm sorry. Sure, that works. Just don't use my health. Woo, hoo, 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 hoo. Woo, hoo, hoo, hoo. Haha! I'm here to help you, Jessica.
Hey, what's wrong? Be careful. They may still be here.
They probably are. Like right behind you.
You okay?
She's like, nice muscles. Oh, hell no! Mm-mm. Come here. Goodbye. Oh, yeah. If you don't do that, she turns into that snake head thing, and things just get complicated, and ain't nobody got time for that. Wow, my aim sucks. I was trying to punch him, but apparently I was too late. Get some go. Whoa, where you come from? Boom! Screw you. And the high horse you rode in. Oh, you bitch. You'll be taking my weapon and my ammo. Any more moo-moos over here? Nope. Oh, you fell. You fell real good. Excuse me. You had a head. I want to know what kind of freaking shoes or boots Chris is wearing, for real. Alright. Hello!
Message to HQ. We've lost contact with Alpha Team.
Yeah, Alpha Team dead.
By an unidentified hostile.
Yeah, they dead.
Deal coordinates immediately.
Come on, guys. I know you're coming.
Roger that.
Move out.
Get down. Get down. Wow. Yep. Thank you. Alright. SHEVA kind of redeeming herself for the stupidness that she did before. I don't know what she was doing. I think she was fighting instead of running away. That's why she got dead. Alright. So that is everything over here. No! Bad Chris. Don't need that. Gonna reload as much as we can. 92 bullets, guys. Alright. Alright, we don't need to open that now. Come on, Chevy Webby. Alright, here we go. I remember the first time I played this part scared me. I was like, okay, something's definitely gonna pop out of the corner. And then that happened, and I jumped. I was like, "Ay, caca." Pretty sure I had to change my pants afterward. You know? But even though the surprise element is not present that much anymore this time around. No, not discard, give. I'd rather discard it than have you have it. But anyways, even though the surprise factor is not really a thing anymore, the dread factor is definitely there, and also the fact that I have to watch my ammo and how I use it. Because as you saw, Big Papi before was not going down. And this is a strong handgun. Oh yeah, first time around that scared me too. This guy, I think I dropped my controller. Yeah, made him pee a little too, but everybody pees. I just do it while playing scary games the most. That's the only difference. Do not judge. Oh, look at that crow. You, fuck you. Yeah. Yeah. I just killed Eric Draven. Somewhere in here, he was just chilling, and I just killed his crow, and that's it. Ammo! Here comes the ammo! Alright, come here.
Thanks.
I guess you can have some. Just because I need you. Alright, let's go get the goods. The goods! Boop! Boop! Alright. I really cannot stand playing with the computer, her. It is annoying. Boom. What's up?
What the hell happened in here?
Oh, they dead. Oh, what's up, bro?
Hey, who did this?
Some guy.
Something attacked us.
Can you be more ominous?
You got away. It was a setup.
A setup? What is this?
It's data regarding the deal. I downloaded it from their computer.
Mm.
Oh, you gotta get it.
Sorry that you died and all. He looks like Hank from Breaking Bad.
I saw someone, but they ran away.
But they run away. Do you guys see the subtitles? It said they run away instead of they ran away.
Kirk, do you copy? We got the data, but Alpha Team is down. Irving got away.
Crap. Hello?
Relay the data from the vehicle at the storage facility.
Copy that.
In other words, you got it, bruh. Jay was like, you're sexy. Alright, so anything else I can get from any of you moo-moo heads? Guess not. You all suck. Got that. Open this real quick. Da 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 da. Oh, we got to get on the elevator. Come on, Chevy. Let's go, bae. Get in the damn elevator. What? What? Did she just... Did... What the... Did you... What the... What the... What the fuck... What the... Let's just go. Let's forget about the fact that that happened. And just move on with our day. God, I hate you. Oh God, I can only imagine how many times I'm gonna die here because of her stupidness. Oh, I'm going to die a lot. Especially because I need to burn this moo-moo. Yep. Because handgun's not gonna be enough to beat his ass. Alright, so here, you can have these.
I owe you one.
Because you're gonna need them. Why? Yeah, you dead too. Yep, that's where we're going to be executing the beastie. We're going to try to anyways. The SHEVA kind of stupid, so it might not happen. I just despise computer SHEVA. She's a great character, don't get me wrong, but the CPU is so bad. Alright, let's get everything. Where's the key? There we go. Remember, first time I played this, I saw it's at checkpoint, and I was like, that's not good. Something's gonna happen. Alright, so we're good with health, in case we get hit a couple times. She's fine with that, that's one too many. I wish I could knock these over right now. But whatever. Alright, here we go. Come on, big guy. I know you're there. I can smell you. Yeah, SHEVA, you point that gun. This is what happens because you took so damn long. Open the damn door and run.
What the hell is that?
That is the holy shit run. Times 5.
I think that's what got Alpha Team.
That, you know, Chris, that's a very good assumption. You might be the next goddamn Batman. Nope, no, 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 no. Plan B, plan B, plan B, plan B, plan B, plan B. Come on, Chevy. Oh, come on. Dude, you punch a boulder later. Move. Oh boy, now it's a party. Move out of there, SHEVA. Boom! Motherfucker. Should really watch my ammo. Come on, die, 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 you hoe bag. Okay, plan B. Ah! SHEVA, come on.
Thanks.
Oh, we have to get him the other way. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We're gonna knock this down real quick. Oh god, he is coming. SHEVA.
Come on.
Okay.
Ooh, he went back in. Come on, burn, you dick. Stay, 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 stay. Yeah, yeah. Screw you. Go, go, go. Ha 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 ha. Burn in hell, you son of a bitch. I can't believe he just ran back by himself. I thought he was behind me and then he tried to be smart, but no. Daddy Chris is like, I'm smarter. I take steroids. Woohoo! We did it, guys.
This thing
First boss, we took it down
need to report this to HQ.
with the computer as a partner. Now that is progress. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. I thought for a second that somehow she like pulled the lever and got locked in there. I would have laughed hysterically, even if she died. But that's what I just thought happened. Anyways, moving on. And see, now you open the door quick, you ass. Oh, pisses me off. Alright, I think it's gonna be a nice loot right here. Yeah. Look at this loot of handgun ammo. Alright, so I'm going to share some of it.
I owe you one.
Alright, cool. I guess I'll share the whole damn thing. Bastard. Alright, are you going to do any other crazy shit now that I get on the elevator? Oh my god. I wish I could shoot you.
Come on.
Okay.
I mean, I could turn on friendly fire. But I mean, like, I want to shoot her. Oh, SHEVA, SHEVA. Silly Chevy boo. The camera is watching them. Big brother.
Let's go.
Bye. How can you drive and see with that mask on? I'll never know.
Got it.
What was that thing?
Murder.
The OW that scumbag Irving left behind to set us up.
Good
Considering
guess.
what it did to Alpha Team, I think we're lucky to still be breathing.
Only we could have gotten there
Well, you
sooner.
killed it, Chris.
If we had, we'd probably be dead too.
Through that.
Chris to HQ, do you copy?
This is HQ. Excellent work out there. We'll analyze the data immediately.
This whole town's gone to hell. The people here, they're acting like those Ganado detailed in the Kennedy report. And aside from
Right.
that, there's something
Just like
new,
Resident Evil 4.
something we've never encountered before.
Our transportation has been taken out too. Requesting a mission update.
The mission stands. Capturing Irving is your top priority. We believe he may have fled to the mines on the other side of the train station.
Wait.
That's hell of a
we're the
guess.
only two left. You want us to go in there alone?
Delta team have been dispatched and are on their way. They'll assist you in locating and apprehending Irving.
But wait, we
I
can't!
repeat, your mission stands. We can't afford to let him get away.
Well, that's bullshit.
Proceed to the mines beyond the station. Over and out.
This is insane!
You ever get the feeling you're expendable?
Dabe. The first, second, or third, Chris. Alright, so that's that chapter, guys. We just made it to chapter 1, 2. And for some reason, we got a B on clear time, which is 19 minutes. That's not that bad. Everything else we got an S. Overall S. Accuracy, I like 74.4. I'll take it. Enemies routed 16. Apparently that's an S. There's probably not that many enemies in this level. But yeah. But that, my good people, it's going to be part 1. Just because I cannot stand playing with that freaking computer. So hopefully by the time you guys see this, the second part will be uploaded too, and I will have some help because I need it. And even if I don't have help, I'll try to do it alone again. I hate it so much. But that's part 1, guys. Or maybe this will be part 2. I don't know yet how I will divide it. If you're watching this and it is actually part 2, and it is the end of part 2, welcome to the end of part 2 for now, you know? But in any case, guys, this has been Resident Evil 5 Handgun Only Run. If you guys are enjoying it, don't forget to drop a like and to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Do it. You'll get some nice content. Turn on the notification bell, and you'll know every time I upload something. And even if you don't like the content, do it. It's free, in the words of Jimmy Kimmel, so why not? You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome. I'll see you very soon with another chapter of Resident Evil 5 Handgun Only Challenge. Love you guys. Stay awesome and geek on. Resident Evil style. I don't know what noise to make, so I'm just gonna drop it. Bye bye.